Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Teams meeting security settings with Azure AD roles step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Azure portal using your administrator credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and select Azure Active Directory. In the Azure Active Directory dashboard, find and select the role that you want to assign permissions for Teams meetings, such as Teams Administrator. On the role page, click on Assign. In the search bar, type the name of the user or group you want to assign the role to. Select the appropriate user or group from the search results. Once selected, click on the Assign button to grant the role. Now, return to the Teams Admin Center by navigating to the Microsoft 365 Admin Portal. In the Teams Admin Center, select Meetings from the left-hand menu. Next, click on Meeting Policies. Here, you can view and modify existing meeting policies or create a new one. To create a new meeting policy, click on Add and fill out the necessary details. Set the security settings according to your organization's compliance requirements. Once configured, click Save to apply the new meeting policy. After saving, ensure that you assign this policy to the intended users or groups. Return to the Meeting Policies page and select the new policy you just created. Click on Assign Users, and then select the users or groups you want to apply the policy to. Finalize the assignment by clicking the Apply button. Once you have set the Teams meeting policies, they will automatically apply according to the scheduling and user settings. For verification, conduct a test meeting to ensure that permissions reflect the new security settings. If further adjustments are needed, revisit the Teams Admin Center to modify the policies accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.